welcome to a new video of Brain Spanner that could change the way you look at your daily routine. Most people today can't shut up. It doesn't matter what they're talking about, they'll let you know about it. You've just landed that dream promotion, and the excitement is overwhelming. You want to share the news with everyone, from your colleagues to distant relatives. Fast forward a few weeks, and you find yourself dealing with unexpected challenges at work. Colleagues who were once supportive are now eyeing your position, and suddenly your dream promotion feels like a double-edged sword. Ever wondered if sharing too much can backfire? Well, stick around because we've got some eye-opening insights. But before we dive in, let me throw a thought-provoking question your way. How many times have you spilled the beans about your plans only to face unforeseen consequences later? Maybe it was sharing your ambitious business idea and suddenly a competitor beats you to the punch. Leave your answers in the comments below. I'm curious to hear your experiences. The power of discretion. You see, there's immense power in discretion. Consider the world of tech giants, and in particular, the behemoth that is Apple. Apple, known for its groundbreaking products and innovations, has mastered the art of discretion. Imagine if, before every product launch, Apple decided to reveal every intricate detail about their upcoming devices, the design, features, and technological advancements. It would be akin to exposing their hand before entering a high-stakes game. Now, let's take the example of the launch of the iPhone. Before the unveiling, Apple maintains an air of secrecy, and it's not by accident. The company understands the power of building anticipation and maintaining a competitive edge. By keeping the details of their products confidential until the big reveal, they create a sense of excitement and curiosity among consumers. This deliberate strategy contributes to the success of their product launches. Consider the impact if Apple were to overshare. Competitors could swiftly replicate their ideas, and consumer interest might wane before the product even hits the shelves. The lesson here is crystal clear. Strategic silence or discretion can be your greatest ally in safeguarding your plans from unnecessary risks. Now, let's bring this lesson closer to home. Think about a project or goal you're working on. How might maintaining a level of discretion enhance your chances of success? It could be as simple as not disclosing every detail until you've made significant progress or achieved your objectives. Successful entrepreneurs, much like Apple, understand that not every aspect of their strategy needs to be laid bare. It's about timing and understanding the competitive landscape. By keeping certain details under wraps, they maintain a strategic advantage, protecting their innovations from potential threats. The pitfalls of oversharing. Now, let's delve into the pitfalls of oversharing. In the age of social media, we all know that person, the one who spills every detail of their life, from promotions and hot dates to daily weather updates. While it might seem harmless or even cathartic to share your every thought and experience, here's the catch. Too much information can make you vulnerable. Consider the impact on relationships when personal matters are broadcasted for the world to see. Think about that friend who constantly shares the highs and lows of their romantic life on social platforms. Initially, it might garner attention and sympathy, but over time, it can strain relationships. For example, sharing every disagreement with a partner might expose the intricacies of your relationship to a wider audience. While transparency is vital for intimacy, oversharing can lead to unintended consequences. Friends and family may form judgments or offer unsolicited advice, potentially exacerbating issues rather than resolving them. Finding the balance, openness versus discretion. Now, let's dive into the delicate art of striking the right balance between openness and discretion. To illustrate this, let's consider a real-life scenario many of us can relate to: managing personal relationships in the age of social media. Imagine a couple, Jack and Emma, deeply in love and excited about their journey together. Jack, enthusiastic and open, shares every intimate detail of their relationship on social media, from heartfelt posts to images capturing their every moment. Emma, on the other hand, is more reserved, valuing privacy and cherishing the intimacy of their connection. At first glance, Jack's openness might seem like a display of affection, but over time, it raises questions about the health of their relationship. The constant exposure invites external opinions and judgments, potentially straining the bond they once shared. In contrast, Emma's discretion protects the sanctity of their relationship, creating a space where genuine connection can flourish without external interference. This example highlights the importance of finding the sweet spot between openness and discretion in personal relationships. While sharing milestones and joys can strengthen connections, oversharing can lead to unnecessary complications. So, how do we strike this balance in our own lives? It involves thoughtful consideration of what to share and what to keep private, understanding the context and recognizing the potential impact on personal and professional relationships. And there you have it, brain spanners, the power of discretion and the pitfalls of oversharing. Now, before you go, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, share this video with your fellow brain spanners, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep unlocking your potential, and remember, not every card in your hand needs to be revealed. Take care.